First of all, I cracked 8 eggs today, and 5 of them were double yolks. It was mind boggles. But now we are doing a super fancy unboxing video.
Is it?
Steve bought me new packs because my old one is disgusting. It's also many years
Keep
old.
it as a backup. This
We
one heats up faster though.
Yeah. We decided that because I need to vape pot. It is a necessity, unfortunately. And I don't want to smoke, and eating it is very slow. But vaping clearly from both lung infection outbreaks and recent studies that show changes in macrophage lung, what is it called? Lung mush bits. The mush bits in your lungs.
The alveoli?
Mucus. The mucuses.
Okay.
So we're going back to vaping flowers. Because people are pretty sure that it's additives in vaping that are, like in vaping concentrates that are making vaping horrible for people. And obviously, if I could not be in pain all the time and not vape, I would do that. But since it doesn't work, we got this new object.
This one's supposed to heat up a lot faster. It's interesting. It's lighter than the old one. It's a little smaller too.
There's
And
a Kedum.
That thing is what do you call it? The mouthpiece is silicone, and it's flat. They do have one that sticks out if you want, but
How's it work?
there's a power button right there. I'm not sure how you get the
Oh, interesting.
out.
That's just the mouthpiece.
I'm not sure how you get the mouthpiece out.
Oh, interesting. It turns on when you breathe through it. We should probably read the instructions.
No, I hit the power button.
Oh, I see. Okay. Hi, future self. Why, yes, I am watching Buffy while I finish my gallery applications documentation. I have to do fix my elevation drawings so that they include some prints that we want to make for the show. I'm just starting season 5 because that is what Buffering the Vampire Slayer, the podcast that I listen to, is watching, so I'm watching along. But yeah, now let's make elevations. This is the plan that I just finished for basically the install for Prostetic Memory, which is the name that we're calling this first iteration of Amnesia Diaries. Or I guess the videos and the journals are Amnesia Diaries, and the first AI is Prostetic Memory. I don't know, that's what we're calling it. So here's like the little desk table thing where there's a camera on this side and a projector on this side and a little speaker. There's a computer. And the camera is looking at the little notebook here. And then the projector is bringing up videos associated with that and playing the audio through the speaker. And then here's like sort of a more elevation shot. This is the hanging hardware for the projector and the camera. And then we're going to print, this was actually the curator's idea, we're going to print some images from Masking Machine and some of the training images from Prostetic Memory as giant posters on the wall to sort of give the project a little more visual appeal, since it's a very like conceptual computer project. So yeah, that is what I just finished, and now it is time to play Borderlands. This is my new technique for preventing my arm from completely falling asleep and getting damaged while I am sleeping. I'm gonna probably get an elbow immobilizer, but if I keep my arm splinted out straight, that arm doesn't so far like fall asleep in my sleep and then like damage my nerve, which is what's happening in both my hands. My left arm has been benefited from the pillow fort that I sleep on. But my left arm not, or my right arm not so much. So splints on the right arm. Yeah. Oh. Look at this. Oh, folding cameras is difficult. Look at that. Look at that pretty room that has been invented. Yeah. Okay. Good night, future self.